So how are we dealing with sulfur burps? Because I hate sulfur burps. I think they're the worst of all worlds, and I'm going on holiday tomorrow and I am taking my MyJourney with me because sulfur burps can get in the bin, and this is the only thing that I've found that helps with them. You may have other suggestions, do feel free to do those, but I found it especially with chicken. I don't know if you're the same. Have you tried, are there any foods that you find that it's worse with? Because for me, chicken is number one. But this MyJourney has multivitamin. It's for people like me and you who are on that journey. And I'm going to tag this again because it has been an absolute lifesaver for me.